All right, then I'm gonna continue and just do some evaluating. So evaluate and show you how that's kind of the same as solving some logs, okay? All right, for example, this would be one that we would have already done if I said, all right, what is the value of log base 7 of 49? Okay, we could evaluate that. And the answer would be what? 7 to what power is 49?
2.
2. So the answer is 2, right? So that would be considered evaluating. Well, that problem could also be written like this. Log base 7 of 49 is equal to x. All right, so that's just saying, like, what does this equal? Well, it equals 2. Now, let me give you a different, similar, but written a little bit differently. So if we had log base 7 of x is equal to 2. So now we're trying to solve for x. There's a few ways you could do this. One way would be like this is in log form. Remember the Kahoot we were just doing? Think of this as x equals 7 squared. And so the answer is 49. So we're, converting it from log form into exponential form. Okay. Or you could think of it as, evaluating just like this, like log base 7 of what number is equal to 2, and just think, well, I know 7 squared is 49, so x is 49. That would be another way to just kind of process that. But another example, if we had, let's say, how about log base x of 1,000 is equal to 3. So you may be able to do in your head, like, all right, what number do I take to a power to the third power to get 1,000? Or you could convert it into exponential form. So I could think of this as 1,000 equals x to the third. And so x has to be 10 because 10 to the third is 1,000. So there is some mental math involved there. Now, the nice thing is these are all integer values for what we're doing right now. So if we had something like log base 5 of 625 is equal to x, and I wanted to solve that, well, this is asking 5 to what power is 625? Or if you write that in exponential form, remember the 5 moves over and the x moves up. So it's 625 equals 5 to the x. Well, I don't know that off the top of my head. That wasn't one on the list, but I know that x is an integer. I know that 5 to the first is 5. 5 squared is 25. 5 to the third is 125. So I'm guessing 4 is a good guess, because if I did 125 times 5, yeah, I would get 625. And so x comes out to be 4. So when you're solving some of these, you can think of it or even write it in exponential form and then do a little mental math to figure them out. Do you have any questions on those examples that I gave you?